everyone, welcome back to Sunday Night Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi soap histories, and guys namhlanje sisakhuluma ke ngale storyline esilositshela ukuthi sizokwenzeka yabo, but ke they keep on postponing it. But yesterday guys sikhuluma storyline sikalibone kanye ke noLihle lapha ke ku-e.tv Scandal. It's very educational guys, iyafundisa ukuthi ngampela ingane zamantombazanyana zidlula kuziphi ke izimo, and as umzali what must you do. So guys, as you know ukuthi yesterday they've been trying to reach out ukubathola ukuthi bakuphi, but it was difficult for them. But toward the end of the story bavezile ukuthi namhlanje today uNhloso kanye nethimba lakhe they will find ukuthi ukuphi kahle hle uLibone kanye noLihle, and they will go there. They will go there, and I just pray guys ukuthi mabefika lapha kube ukuthi uLibone akakalali noLihle. On the other side guys, uLibone is busy trying to shama smooth talk lapha kuLihle, uyamkhisa umtshela ukuthi is it fine. Abona nje this storyline guys, it's very painful kahle because iy'ngane zamantombazane iningi lazo they go through that, and abanye they are just recalling ukuthi that what happened to me, you know. So uLihle guys izolo uzamile ukumdistracta ukuthi abaphume bayodlala, but uthe sino 24 hours sisobabili la. So kusho ukuthi guys he will try na uzombuza nokuthi na eyintombini uyezwa kuthiwa khona into ekuthiwa uyalala nomuntu wesilisa but ungalali naye like direct. Those who knows, they knows ukuthi there's something ebizwa ngokuthi ukusoma, where you don't like penetrate but udlalela emathangeni. So that what Lihle was telling uLibone ukuthi no, ikhona into ekuthiwa ukusoma, awulali nomuntu like okwangempela. But as you know guys ukuthi uLibone akekho lapho ufuna ukulala naye ngampela uLihle. So if uyavuma ukuthi bazame leyo nto leyo, then kusho ukuthi it's the end of uLihle guys. But I'm praying I'm praying. I have never been invested in a storyline like this. I'm just praying ukuthi athe sathi uyaqala bavele bakhahlele umnyango oNhloso bese kuyashuba bamshaye, angazi uzoboshwa guys or kuzokwenzekalani. But nje the storyline guys iya stressana. We are very stressed as the country. I was just checking ama comments laphana ku Facebook. Omunye uthi in few seconds Gasta burst into a room after Mdala identified the location. Libone is pulled from Lihle by Gasa have a big punch on Libone's nose and blood gushed out. Omunye uthi we can blame Libone on this, but uLihle naye ungiborile. Scandal trying to show us what happening with our young sisters in real life. Wathi omunye mara the BNB can't they see that an old man is checked in with a young girl? People shouldn't be sad with the storyline. This is pure education to those who are wise, and the wise ones will definitely teach their teens what really happening in real life. So yeah guys, bayibathi uNhloso uzobuyela ejele kahle if ngampela lento lena iyenzeka. Umuntu I can't wait for Nhloso and Mdala to burst open that door. I want Nhloso to give him 10 slap hotter than the one he once gave Ntuthuko. So yeah guys, we are just waiting for today ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. But hayi bafethu no storyline lesi siya stressa because we know what is happening. We know what is going to happen if like really kuqhubeka kanje. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ufisa ukubona ukuthi le story se unfolda kanjani. Are you in Libone's side? Are you in Lihle's side? Do you blame Lihle? Do you blame Libone? Bye.